Take a look at this simple system for cracking walnuts and hazelnuts. There is no scattering of shells and kernels everywhere, and the walnuts just fall right into the bowl. The hammer poses no danger to your fingers. This auxiliary tool can be useful to anyone who has a larger quantity of walnuts and hazelnuts in their shells. Here's how I made it. We need a board of appropriate dimensions and a base on which we will secure it. I will mark the board and cut it to the appropriate dimensions. To make the holes in the board, I am using spade bits of appropriate sizes. First, I will put in the bit whose diameter corresponds to hazelnuts. I am drilling. I am placing the board onto the base, which is an old stool we no longer use. I am using a nail to secure the board. And now we can start cracking hazelnuts. As you can see, it goes easily and quickly with no scattering. All the contents end up in the bowl. This is also a protection against hitting your fingers with the hammer, which otherwise happens in practice. Ouch. I am also making additional holes in the board for cracking smaller and larger walnuts using spade bits of adequate diameter. And now we have a complete tool that will make this job easier for us. Cracking hazelnuts and walnuts with a hammer has never been easier or more interesting. I like this practical system. Now is the ideal opportunity to remind ourselves of some other tricks for safely cracking walnuts and hazelnuts. If you have a box wrench of the appropriate dimensions, it is an ideal tool for safely cracking hazelnuts. Here is how smoothly that goes. If you don't have a box wrench of the ideal dimensions, you can make a tool for cracking hazelnuts using a bottle cap and a nail. We just hammer a nail into a bottle cap and look at how fast and easy that goes. To crack walnuts, we use a hose clamp. The hose clamp has a screw on it. By unscrewing and tightening the screw, we adjust the diameter to match the diameter of the walnut. Here is how well that works. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. How do you crack walnuts and hazelnuts? In the following video, check out how to make a simple drip irrigation system.